Ever wonder where's the best place to make money in content creation? Well, wonder no more. Oh god, I sound like a ringmaster at a circus. But seriously, if you're a content creator of any kind or you're looking to start your content creation career, you may be wondering where to start. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of my findings on what you can earn from each platform. My name is Bob, and welcome to Streamsight. So, for those who aren't aware, not every platform is created equal. Each one has different features, audiences, requirements, and more, but the key thing we'll be addressing today is the revenue share. I'm fully aware there are a mountain of factors to take into account when it comes to deciding where to focus your content. But this is a conversation about the wonga, the dollarinos, should we just get on with it? Yeah, fair enough. Okay, we'll start with the lowest and work our way to the highest split in favor of you, the creator. And for this example, we'll use a benchmark of 100 paid subs or memberships, depending on what platform we're talking about. And we'll be using the average
$5 a month
as a standard paid membership. Please bear in mind that some of these figures may not be exact due to fluctuations in service costs, transaction fees, and even exchange rates, but we've done our best to get the most accurate figures available at the time of recording. So, starting with Twitch. Despite being the most popular place to stream, Twitch's revenue share sits at a 50-50 split. This split, like all others, occurs prior to any withdrawal fees, which I'll show here. And also, whilst it's not going to factor in here, Twitch also localizes your sub cost, which changes depending on where you are and where your viewer is. So the numbers here are based off of if both you and your subscribers are from the USA. So what are the numbers for Twitch? If you have 100 subscribers, you'll receive $249.25. That's less than half before tax. Moving on to YouTube now, and despite being the second worst platform to create a cut, the difference between YouTube and Twitch is a whopping 20%, with the creator taking home 70% versus the 30% YouTube keeps for itself. As well as this, YouTube allows the creator to define how many tiers they want and the price point of those tiers. Although again, we'll be using the $5 tier here as the example. Based on this and the $0 withdrawal fees, before tax, you should expect to see around $350, which for reference is a massive $100.75 more than Twitch. That's a whole extra dollar per sub for the same money from your audience. Now we come to the first off-platform service. Patreon has some features that allow you to create content on it, but generally the perks for being a patron usually extend off of Patreon itself. As is with YouTube, Patreon allows the creators to define their own tiers, giving greater control of the offering that they can provide. But again, for this example, we'll use a $5 tier, and whilst Patreon has varying price plans which provide different revenue shares based on your plan, I've gone for the tier that I have set in my Patreon account, which is a bit of a weird percentage of 8.4% and 50 cents per patron to the platform. Plus the 1% withdrawal fee. At 100 patrons before tax, you should expect to see around $403.92, which is an absurd $154.64 more than Twitch for the exact same amount of money given by your supporters. Finally now, onto my personal favorite, Ko-fi. Ko-fi works a lot like Patreon in terms of being an off-platform service. You can create content there, but generally you would drive users there from another platform like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, etc. Except Ko-fi does it a little different to all of the others. It works more like a tipping platform as it immediately gives you your membership revenue straight into your PayPal account. And whilst it usually takes 5%, which after these transaction fees, it would net you around about $428.85 for 100 members, which is an astounding $179.60 more than Twitch. But it doesn't end there. Despite already being the best revenue split in this list, you can subscribe to Ko-fi Gold, not an ad by the way, which is $6 a month, and you'll actually get 100% of your memberships. So 100 memberships would net you $447 after the Gold subscription, which is a staggering $197.75 more than Twitch. Let's add a little bit of context there. If you had 100 Ko-fi memberships, you get an additional 79% revenue for the exact same amount of money from your audience. Hopefully this information helps you as a creator or even as a viewer looking to support your favorite creators. Which brings me to the final part of the video, and that's going to be me asking you to, nope, not like and subscribe, although that would be awesome if you did, but just to share this video with other creators and your own audience. Knowledge is power, and the power and control of the money that you earn via content creation should lie with you and your audience, not the services that pretend to empower us as creators. Also, if you're feeling particularly adventurous, drop a comment below with what service you predominantly use right now and what service you'll be using after watching this video. I'd love to know if this video helped you to make that decision to take back control of your revenue streams. Either way, thanks so much for being here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. And remember, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.